In this tutorial, I'm going to explain what plugins are and how they work. This is part of the WordPress skills playlist on my channel. If you find this video helpful, you're going to find that playlist super helpful. There's a link to that in the description down below if you want to check that out. If you have any questions or comments about this video, please leave those down below as well. I try to answer them the best I can. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WPLearningLab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your customers, and for your business. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get started. Plugins are a set of files you can easily install in your WordPress site that give it some kind of functionality. For example, we can have plugins that display recent posts on the right-hand side, or order them a certain way, or add pictures to recent posts, or highlight more comments or the most popular comments that are liked the most. Or they can compress these images. Whenever an image is uploaded, the plugin will compress it and optimize it to make it load more quickly. Or if you click into a post, you have plugins that let you customize the breadcrumbs up here, or any number of things. There are thousands and thousands of applications for WordPress plugins. To find the free plugins, go to the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, and then add new. And this is where the WordPress repository for plugins exists. On this page right here, we're on the feature page, we see the feature plugins, the most popular ones. We're not going to get into what they all do. There are plenty of tutorials that will cover any kind of plugin you want. Under the popular tab, we see the most popular plugins listed from most popular to least popular. And there are 53,036 separate plugins in this repository. That's a lot. So you're not going to be paging through this to find what you need. You might be thinking, I need an SEO plugin. So up here for the keyword, you search for SEO, and you might have heard of some already like SEO Yoast or Rank Math, or you may not have. So you just type in SEO and it shows you all the SEO plugins. And even here, that's a lot, 4,181 plugins with the term SEO in them. So they may not be dedicated SEO, but they have SEO applications, like this redirection plugin, which I use quite a bit. This has SEO implications, but it's not an SEO plugin. The first ones are SEO Yoast, All-in-One SEO, Rank Math, the SEO Framework, SEO Press. Those ones are dedicated SEO plugins. The others have SEO applications. So either way, those are the free plugins, and you can easily browse through them or use the keywords, or even down below at the very bottom. I have to go back to the feature tab. If you go down, you can see the categories for plugins. The bigger the word, the more plugins exist in that category. And you can click on any one of these, like shortcode, and it's going to show you shortcode plugins. 1,279 have some kind of shortcode application that you can use in your site. And the plugins are one of the reasons WordPress is so popular. It's like having apps for a smartphone. The smartphone with the most apps is the one that's bought the most. At least that's how it used to be. For WordPress, WordPress has the most plugins out of any other website builder out there. And these are mostly created by third parties, not by the creators of WordPress. And so pretty much any functionality you want on your site, you can add with a plugin. You can also buy plugins. There's lots of premium ones. A lot of the paid ones have free versions inside the WordPress repository we just saw. And a good place to get paid plugins is codecanyon.net. If we go here and then click on WordPress, we see there are over 5,800 WordPress plugins, and these ones are all premium. You have to pay for all of them. And you can browse by category and find plugins that do what you need them to do. And this is a plugin marketplace where third-party developers come here to sell their plugins. There's also specific companies that create lots of plugins. For example, HasThemes has a lot of plugins. If we hover over plugins, we can see a list of them here. And there are countless smaller companies like this that have plugins on their own websites and their own marketplaces that you won't necessarily find in bigger marketplaces like CodeCanyon. But they do often have free versions inside the WordPress repository. Either way, you have this place for a plugin resource. And premium plugins are installed differently than the free plugins. I have a tutorial that shows you how to install premium plugins, linked to in the description down below if you want to see that. And you also have plugins or companies that have just one plugin. Right now, Elementor has one plugin. It's a very popular page builder, and the whole site here is dedicated to this one plugin. They might add more in the future, but as of right now, it's just this one, and that works just great for them. My point is, there's plugins everywhere, and all they are is a set of files that add functionality to your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely going to want to check out this playlist right here. It's the WordPress Basic Skills playlist on my YouTube channel. It'll answer lots and lots of WordPress questions for you, so make sure you check that out. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.